Okay, happy Sunday. Let's get to this. I'm talk about crypto for you guys. Looking at buying crypto, there's support here at around 16,600. So looking for it to come back to 17,000. And then from there, we'll see what happens with crypto at that point. So overall, like I said, it is New Year's Day, so happy New Year's to you guys. But also at the same time, don't take it like the volume is just gonna end up booming or something. We still have the holidays. Like I said, maybe the banks might end up closing tomorrow because of how they recognize Christmas on the Sunday. They nothing all the banks were closed on Monday anyways for the 26th. So probably the same thing as for today, maybe tomorrow that the banks are probably end up closing. Let's see if this is true or not. So Sunday, bank holiday. Yep. So same setup. So I don't expect too much. Like I said, just looking through this right now. We're gonna be buying crypto, but don't expect like a major buying opportunity or a major uptrend going up for all the cryptos. 1,200 for Ethereum. I'll be looking for it to come back to 1,300 for Ethereum. Litecoin at 70. That's pretty much it. Shiba. Let's see. I would expect maybe 0.0009. And that's probably as high as I'm willing to go. Dogecoin, expecting like back to 8.7, maybe 8 cents, maybe 7 cents back to 8 cents, maybe on the 8-cent one. Tezos, 72 cents right now, looking for maybe 80 cents and then back to 90 cents. But we'll see if it even breaks 80 cents. Ripple is finding support at 33, almost 34 cents, looking for it to come back at 35 to 36 cents. Neo is coming up pretty nice. Looking for it to come back to hit $7. If it's gonna hit $7, that's high. I'm willing to go for Neo. Dash is at 42, close to 42. Looking for 43 to 44 and 45. Solana, this thing's been down so much. Under $10, I'd be looking for it to break above $10 and see if it's going to sustain $10 back to $11 to $12. And then Zcash, looking for Zcash to hit 40, maybe 45 at the end of the week. We'll see. So, other than that, that is all I have for you guys for crypto. But we are buying crypto, looking for a retracement going back up for all the cryptocurrencies for this week and going into tax season. So, other than that, that's all I got for you guys. Peace out. All right, guys. Send out the video analysis first, and then later on when Tokyo sessions open, I'm going to send out the signals. I don't want to confuse you guys because, everything flipped around right at the last hour of the session. So, for Friday. So let's talk about this. Selling the US dollar, looking for the US dollar to come back down to 102.5 to 102. Now, for tomorrow, for Monday, it is still considered a bank holiday. So, even though New Year's is today, Happy New Year's to each and every one of you guys. Hope you guys had a really great weekend celebrating with your friends and families. All right. Now, since they're doing exactly what they did last week, right? Christmas fell on the Sunday, and then Monday was a really slow day because they consider it as another holiday. So, the banks are not open tomorrow, so that's another thing to consider, given the fact that they don't plan on doing anything for tomorrow. So I don't expect too much. Like I said, basically, it's just like a 3-day weekend. This is easy way I can say it. Given the fact that Monday is another day off, right? So, other than that, what could also be interesting is If I cannot open any trades and trades are disabled until the end of Monday night, I will let you guys know. That's another given factor, just like what happened last week Monday when I couldn't enter any trades in the morning to give you guys any new signals. So also be well aware what's transitioning over starting Monday into Monday night and then into Tuesday morning. So Tuesday morning, I will look at as if the Monday for the new day of the month and the new day of this year of 2023. So we are going to be selling the US dollar, looking for it to come back down. Indices are a little bit interesting at this point, but they don't want to go down any further. So they're finding support. Looking to buy Wall Street back to 33. Well, let's see here. It's at 33.15. So looking for Wall Street to hit back to 33,500, and then maybe possibly back to 34,000, back to 35,000. Off of what I'm looking at right here. And then S&P, looking for S&P to break 4,000 back to 4,200. NASDAQ, buying NASDAQ, looking for NASDAQ to break above 11,000 and then 11,500 and then back to 12,000. That's all I got. So buying indices, selling the US dollar. We are definitely buying gold. Gold has did a tremendous move before the end of Friday. Now it was down the whole week and it ended up transitioning over to going up, and then the US dollar fell back right when around afternoon. So I wasn't around to see what was going on. I closed everything off. I set the accounts off, turned off the phone on the MetaTrader. So things flopped around right around afternoon. Gold is at 1823, closing in. Looking to keep buying it for 1830 to 1840, and then back to 1850. Okay, so I'm just breaking it every $10 in value of increase in increments. UJ, looking for UJ to come down, selling UJ back down to 131.0, and then looking for a move back down to break 130 to 129. Euro, buying Euro. Now, it's going to be interesting because this is a previous resistance. If it does not break 107 to stay above 107, I'm going to sell it back down. If it breaks above 107, and then the next move will be 108 to 109. Euro, British pound. I'm looking to sell this pair. This is like the fourth bullish candle. So looking for it to come back down to 88 and then go under 88 to 87. And then we'll see what happens from there. The pound, looking to buy the pound. I know this is kind of weird because usually the pound isn't really doing a whole lot this week. So looking for the pound to shift gears here, going back up to 121 to 122, and then maybe a positive move to break 123. U-Swiss, looking to sell U-Swiss back down even further. Looking for it to break 92 back to 91 and 90. UCAD, looking to sell UCAD back down to where it came from. 135 and then back to 134 and then to 133. Buying Australia and New Zealand dollars. So Australia to break 69 to 70. And then for New Zealand, we're buying New Zealand to break 64 to 65. And then that's all I have for you. Like I said, tomorrow is a bank holiday. The central banks are closed. The banks are even closed. I don't know if the post office is going to be open. So if they're going to recognize Monday as New Year's Day, so it gets a little tricky. Just kind of like what they did last week Monday for Christmas, because Christmas fell on a Sunday and that New Year's fell on a Sunday as well. Just be mindful, that if they're going to treat Monday as a Sunday again, then that's what we're going to be doing. Trades are probably going to end up being disabled. So if I can't send out signals tonight, then I'm just going to tell you guys I'm going to send out signals tomorrow night when they do allow us to even open and close trades. Okay. So other than that, Happy New Year's. Go Packers. Hope they beat the Vikings. If they don't, that's all right. There's always next year. All right. Peace out, guys.